Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to discuss another road that needs to be fixed under the Spark program. This is Old Harbour Road. Now this is a road that takes you from Spanish Town to Old Harbour. And this is the main road for traveling through St. Catherine. It's the main road to take you from Spanish Town, one of the busiest places in Jamaica, to Old Harbour, the fastest growing town in Jamaica. Now look at the state of this road. Now the government has $40 billion to fix roads in Jamaica. So we're helping them by showing them some of the roads that need to be fixed. Now 20 billion is to be spent on community roads, and the other 20 billion is to be spent on main roads by the NWA. So this road would fall under the roads that the NWA would fix. So if the NWA has $20 billion to fix roads, this one needs to be on the list. Now this road needs to be expanded to 4 lanes because we're going to pass through a lot of communities like Innswood, which has hundreds of homes and thousands more under development. Some massive housing developments are going on in Innswood. And there is no entrance for the highway from Innswood. This one really surprises me. However, Innswood keeps growing. And so this is the road you have to travel on to get to the highway or to get to Spanish Town. And this is actually, as we said at the beginning, the main road when traveling on the south coast of Jamaica outside of the highway. The highway is not a main road, the highway is a highway. So we're putting this one on the list for the government, or I should say the NWA, to consider, because this is a main road and the NWA is responsible for the main roads. We had put Spanish Town Road on the list, Spanish Town Bypass. And Spanish Town Bypass actually leads into this road. So you could do one thing and fix all of them. On the left is one of those massive housing developments we were talking about that's under construction. We're going to come back and give you an update on all of them. But Innswood is definitely an area that's growing very nicely. Alright guys, so let us know what you think. Enjoy the rest of the tour as we drive to Old Harbour. And you see how populated this area is on the left and on the right. There are so many establishments. This is a well built up area. I'm not sure why this road has not been upgraded yet, but the Spark program is here, and I say expand it to 4 lanes and fix it. Guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And I just want to point something out. Look at where those light poles are. There is space here. It's as if this road was always intended to be 4 lanes. Look at how far in the gas station is. Now, people always put up illegal structures. You can't stop that. Or you're supposed to, but the space is there for the road to be expanded. So this road, you see how far in that fence is? This road looks like it was originally designed to be 4 lanes. Look on the left, the amount of space there. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.